Welcome to Clockwise channel, 1 minute teaching video so you can just practice right after watching. So today I will show you how to get rid of this shadow using Photoshop. So firstly, you transfer picture from your phone to your computer. I normally just email myself and then you click image adjustment level as shown so that you can just adjust the brightness. I normally adjust the first two buttons first, then the last button last. Play around and you will get used to it. And then you can click preview button to see like the difference between the previous one and the later one. Click OK when you are satisfied. Then you click channel as shown, hold Ctrl key and click RGB as shown. Then you click image inverse or shortcut key as Shift Ctrl I, then Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. You can slow down and see the process like later. You will see that there is another layer coming out which only takes some bright part of the picture out. And then you create another new layer and fill white color to it. I use the shortcut key Ctrl Del to put background color in it. And here comes the last and the most fun part. Erase the shadow. Select the eraser tool and erase the shadow part in the original layer. Then you will be able to get rid of any shadow and the picture will be more professional. That's it for today. Leave a comment to ask any questions and consider subscribing for more short and concise tips. More of my work can be seen on Instagram, Facebook page, Driven Art and other social media under the name Clockwise. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you next time. Bye!